guys, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Chatter Road after my swimming. Nandito tayo manonood kaso bad lang siya kasi naulan. Hindi naman ako makalapit sa loob. Ayan o. Nakatakap.
Ang ating susunod na reyna, Reyna del
Ang
Cielo.
ganda ng mga damit nila, mga reyna, mga sagala ngayon, mga sagala. Kaya, ano, dami nang nagkatumba-tumba na mga arko. Yung Taguma group. Ito yung mga sectoral group ata yan dito eh. Ito yung One Visayas. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga pasiwire. Sukoma. Guys. Yan, nakikita nyo. Yan pa lang yan. Update later kayo. Kasi mamaya may kami, may mga sayaw. Kaya update later.
Magpapatalo ba kayo? Ulit pa lang, malakas na eh. Hep! Ayun. Okay.
In the Philippines we have a word, a great way to start a beach day. Let it echo the universe all through the state. Just put on a smile as you say, oh, mabuhay. Keep smiling, mabuhay. Keep smiling, a great salutation, mabuhay. Mabuhay. It's raining, hello, you're precious. It's a warm celebration, mabuhay. May the universe join us the Philippine way. Say welcome, we're glad that you came. It's a great little greeting to start up each day. Just put on a smile and explain, oh, mabuhay. I love it. Come join us, let's go there, mabuhay. God bless you, mabuhay. Mabuhay. Keep singing, mabuhay. Keep swinging. May you have a wonderful day. It's a warm celebration, mabuhay!
Good afternoon to everyone standing before you today. Ready?
The ocean, the ocean.